Do you ever feel like you had the whole day but still got nothing done? Not because you did not have time, but because you just did not have the energy. That's actually the difference between time management and energy management. Hi, I'm Reena and I help you speak and think better in English. Time management is about planning your day, but energy management is about knowing when you can actually perform at your best. For example, you sit down to do an important task at 3 p.m., but your brain feels slow, distracted, tired. So you keep checking your phone, switching tabs, and nothing really moves. But the same task done at 10 a.m., when your mind is fresh, you finish it in half the time. So, the problem was never time, it was your energy. Instead of asking, how can I fit more into my day? Start asking, when am I at my best? Here's what you can do. First, identify your high energy hours and protect them. No scrolling, no distractions. Second, match your tasks to your energy. Deep work when you're fresh and simple tasks when you're tired. Because productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things at the right time. And once you understand this, you don't just manage your day, you take control of your life. Follow for more such real, practical English and life concepts.